just to greet them we've had so long to wait.
Adina?
Oh, yes.
Aren't we forgetting someone?
We are? Oh, yes, this one. Oops, I haven't got anything. It's the way we walk, it's the way we talk. It separates the peacock from the owl. The shows we could never, absolutely ever, join the ugly parade. Whip it.
Is that all you can say?
Whip it.
Where I can be me in a different world.
Bubbling up, bubbling up, bubbling up, bubbling up from the mud. Feel the goodness in the together. We're traveling, traveling on. Let's go! Woo! Ribbit!
Honk, honk, honk.
It's best. Now the word should be the best.
Yay! Big Boss Herodias just called us
The best.
I just had enough. I'm just up to here with your moaning and complaining and your silly childish fear.
I've just had enough.
Hey, not a problem.
Trust us.
Why should we trust you?
Why?
Why?
Here.
Closer.
Oh. Here.
Yes.
La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. My destiny, my life's purpose and my heart's dream, my destiny.
Guide to steer your path. There's a time when you think all is darkness, and it won't let you through or bring you home.
What? What? Am I that ugly? Haven't you ever seen an ugly duckling before?
Kiss the frog, 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 kiss the frog.
Oh, wait! To celebrate the joining of the two kingdoms of Maladia and Rana, with the joining together of these two young people,